We Hustle Daily, what's going on? Hustle Nation. Welcome back to another video, my friend. We at Best Buy again. This freaking iPad, bro. It did something weird when I first, and it works and everything, but it just did something weird when I first tried to activate it. So I'm like, I think I want to take it back. I don't really want to take it back because it done made my editing experience so much easier, bro. Like when I tell y'all so much easier, easier, but it is what it is. Gotta take it back. Wait for them to order another one. Best Buy, goofy ass. Supposed to open that. When it open? 11, and it's like 10:47 right now. So we got the Honda out. You feel me? We about to get the windows tinted on the Honda Accord. Y'all know I do plan on keeping this car. If I do, I will switch it. I gotta find another one. You know, one with the nicer wheels and everything. One with lower miles. Other than that, but I'm not like, it's cool. Like this one works. This one cool. You feel me? Y'all can't really even see it. So we got fishbowl right now, but we will not be fishbowl in a second. So they got a deal today on the tent for one. The tire good, isn't it? Yeah, the tire straight. Gotta make sure our priorities straight. We ain't about to be tinting no windows if our priorities ain't straight. You feel me? But yeah, so I just need to do an oil change on this because I haven't did one yet, and probably put some brakes on. But that's cool. We'll get to that when we get to that. It stops and everything. It just feel a little shake when you drive, when you stop, like going at high rate speeds like on the highway. But y'all know, slap them on real quick. That's nothing. I actually get brakes really cheap. So that's where we at. I'm at Best Buy. I gotta wait for them to open, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take this damn iPad back, get another one. Apple be tweaking sometimes, bro. Like, god damn. So that's what I plan on doing with that. Actually, let me move closer to the door because I'm trying to go in and leave, bro. I'm gonna ask them if they got one at another store that's in the area, but I guess this is the one with the M2 chip. So I don't know if they keep those in stock like that, but so that's what I'm waiting on, for these folks to open so I can go ahead and take this shit back and get me another one, man. I need another one ASAP, bro. I need another one like today. But that's what we plan on doing today, getting our windows tinted on the Honda Accord. Now I got so much shit in this Honda Accord, bro. Like, bro, look at this. Like, maybe I should start getting this shit together right now. I think I got my scooter and stuff in the back. You can't go in the back. This is perfect. So this was the car that I was thinking about getting right here, the truck. After, you know, the next thing after my CLS. That's a GLE 43. Like I said, I'm not in a rush. I don't really need that truck or nothing like that. The CLS does the job just fine. So, where you going? Why that thing closed? They ain't open yet, but we got 11 more minutes. I should have went to go get something to eat. It's actually Sunday, so I'm about to just clean all this shit up, bro. I'm fresh as hell today again. Yes, I am. Hell yeah. I'll see y'all in a minute. Y'all want to see how fresh I am, though? Shit, might as well show y'all how fuck fresh I am. Yeah. Oh, he ain't going over there. Well, we got the. Yeah. I'm gonna see y'all in a minute though, man, because I need to hurry this shit up. They got that, because it's usually like 180 for your tent, but they got a deal today, so that's what we rocking with. Let me I still got this right here. I can take this off, but I'm just leave it. All right, Hustle Nation, I'm happy to announce for those of you who are ready to start flipping cars, I can get you auction access within 24 to 48 hours. If you're ready to stop sitting on the sideline and you're ready to start flipping cars, head on over to whdacademy.com and pick the Platinum package. And for as low as $600, a one-time fee, you guys can have auction access to Copart and the insurance auto auction as a dealer representative under someone else's license. This allows you to go to any Copart or any insurance auto auction in the United States. And essentially, you can start flipping cars within 24 to 48 hours. Don't worry, for those of you who want to attend dealer auctions like Mannheim and Odessa, dealer only auctions, I have something for you guys too.
I can get you access to those auctions within 24 to 48 hours as well. Remember, the good thing about this service is that you're not putting the cars in your name when you resell them, meaning you can sell the cars under someone else's license without having to register them. For those of you who are not ready to start flipping cars and you just want to learn about the business, I also have a silver package and a bronze package available for you guys, while I teach you everything you need to know about this auction business. If this sounds like something you're interested in, head on over to whdacademy.com.
All right, y'all. So we just got our iPad ordered. It's supposed to be here on the 4th instead of the 5th. I went and paid a little extra to get it quicker. So I need that joint. Why the fuck does everybody? Why is everybody parking like that, bro? This is the second person I've seen park like that. They like are not on the fucking line. Like they like on the line type shit. That shit kind of clean though. But so that's what we working with, man. Now I'm about to go get the windows tinted right now. You feel me? I'm not gonna tint the front windshield because shit, I never tint my front windshield. I need to be able to see out this thing. But we are getting 20%. All the way around. Come on, lady, drive that shit. Let's fucking go. That's another thing. Y'all hear that? I don't know what the hell it is. Y'all hear? If y'all know what that noise is, let me know in the comments. It's like in the dash. I don't know what the hell it is. It started doing that. Maybe it probably did it like twice. It stops though, but I don't know what that is. If y'all know what that is, let me know in the comments below. I'm not worried about it, but I'm just saying it's kind of noisy. This ain't on or nothing like that, so I don't know what's going on with it. But let's go get these windows tinted. Hopefully there ain't nobody there, bro, because I need that joint tinted.
Hustle Nation, if you need a broker in order to buy a car off Copart or IAA and you do not have your dealer license, you can use eRepairables. You can sign up and buy cars for as low as $25, which is actually cheaper than making your own account at Copart or the insurance auto auction yourself. Or you can just pay $200 for the whole year and have an all-access bidding pass at these two auctions. And as you can see, they are in most states. Click the link in the description if you're interested.
Y'all hear it? Why the fuck that shit making that much noise? Hopefully, bruh, we ain't got no traffic. I mean, no customers here, bruh. Look at that new SL. They getting their car wash. They're chilling. People over there chilling, waiting for the car wash. This it? Yeah. Oh, shit. Ain't nobody at the motorcycle, dog. Oh, is it? Yeah! Nobody here, bruh. I'm ready. So they got a little music. I think they do something else here. Oh, they do tint and everything, car wraps, everything here. So we got some music playing. Let me see if somebody's here so we can get tinted. Since the same place I got my CLS tinted like a month or two ago. So I'll see y'all in a second. They got the music loud as a motorcycle. All right, guys, we are here and we are about to get this thing tinted, man. Maybe I should turn the damn thing because I want this damn battery to die. I don't know how good this battery is. Feel me? It might be good, it might not. I don't know. Let's go ahead and turn it off just in case, gang. But yep, so y'all see the fishbowl. It ain't about to be fishbowl no more. No fishbowl no more. And y'all probably see the headlight. I'll probably clean this headlight up a little bit better with something, you know. I got some M1. I got something for that. I forgot what it's called. I ain't did that shit in so long, but yep. So we about to get this thing straight, man. We're gonna do 20% all the way around. Like I said, they will do like 15 and all that, but we gonna do 20% all the way around. And yeah, it's gonna be my little daily driver, even though I've been daily driving the Mercedes. But yeah, we good to go, man. So that's all I'm gonna do. I don't want to go too dark because I still want to be able to see. The CLS got 20% on it too, so I ain't never went lower than 20%, y'all. Even though I remember when I put damn, shit just dropped, or it did. I remember when I put 20% on my Pontiac G8. It looked way darker than 20% when I put it on that car for some reason. I'm not sure why, but it did. But that's what we got, man. 20% all the way around. We leaving the front windshield alone. I know a lot of people like to do it. I personally don't like to do that because shit, I need to be able to see. You feel me? Especially in the dark. So that's what we doing. And I'll see y'all when we get done, y'all.
What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A-Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.
All right, guys, so we are done. Let's see what it's looking like. You feel me? Looking good, looking good. Now I won't have people all in my side, my whip. You feel me? Trying to eavesdrop on me. You feel me? And make sure y'all follow all my other YouTube channels as well. I just started another one called Big Play Ray. We got We Still Hustle Daily. And I was gonna work on Ray Hustle Daily, but I'm gonna chill out on that one. I'm gonna work on Big Play Ray. So yeah, so make sure y'all subscribe to all my channels. The links are in the description below. They should be. Gotta make sure I put them in there. But yep, we looking good, man. We looking good. We about to goddamn go on. It's 150.
We're looking good, yes sir.
I appreciate you, man.
Appreciate you always coming through.
All right, man. I'm gonna see you next time. So y'all, let's see what we looking like, man. We're gonna look on the other side real quick. You feel me? Yeah. Yeah, you can't see inside that ride now, boy. Let's go. And make sure y'all follow me on Instagram too. I be on Instagram a lot. See, like it's dark, but you know it's not that dark where you can't like see, so you can still see. The Benz got the curtain that go up, so you know you can't really see. But other than that, man, that mug look good. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. We about to get inside and see what it's looking like real quick. So let's see what we got right here, man. So now we on the inside. It's not really that dark, honestly. Like, but I don't be wanting my shit to be like super dark to where I can't see. You feel me? So 150 today, man. We paid 150 today. I gotta make sure I text my cousin so he can give me my goddamn money back. Cause that shit can go on this. You feel me? Yeah, I'm about to text his ass right now. Shit, give me my money, nigga. Give me my money, nigga. That shit going on this. Like, this is off topic, but I be kind of like, sometimes I be like, ah, man, you know, I can let, you know, certain family members or certain people keep some money. But it's like, bruh, I got $500 out right now. Like, shit, let me get some of that motherfucking money back. Not just from one person, but like from like multiple people, you feel me, adding up to like $500. So that what makes me be like, let me get my motherfucking money, bro. $500, that's damn near, no, that's not half my rent. My rent, that's like a quarter of the fucking rent. But how we looking? I think we looking good. You feel me? Feel me? Gotta make sure I don't roll my windows down. I got it right this time. Roll my windows down, not raise my windows down. So I'm about to go get me something to eat and all that. And shit, yeah.